Is that an entrepreneurship?
Actually, I want to open more of an impact fund because there are, first of all, in India, there is no hedge fund and there are less than 5 impact funds in the world. So it's going to be more of a downside protection for the economy as well as the other investors who invest in my fund.
True. I mean, I partially agree with you and partially not, but still, the flow process is right and doesn't seems to be a fully entrepreneurship oriented thing. If you're going to own the entire thing and you're going to settle up with the own thing and you're going to hedge the whole thing on your own, that becomes an entrepreneurship. I don't think so. You'll be hedging on the own. You'll be buying it and doing it, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. Let me introduce the ministry first. So let's go by flow process that what we can do as step towards entrepreneurship. So I come from Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, which has a field office in Chennai and which we call it as MSME DI. So MSME is micro, small, medium, E for enterprise and D for development, I for institute. So we are called as MSME Development Institute, and it is in Guindy and the main road of GST Road. So we generally define micro, small, and medium enterprises as the definition over here. We define on the investment perspective and the turnover perspective. I believe most of you can understand what is turnover, right? So investment is nothing but the plant and machinery value for a manufacturer. And for a service provider, it's this equipment value. Say, for example, Anshuman was saying to me that he is going to start a hedge fund company. So, what are the assets that he will be buying, Anshuman, if you are starting it?
Assets, as in you mean the land, infrastructure, and all that?
Go ahead.
So to begin with, actually, I won't, in the start, I won't be needing a building. I think a laptop and a couple of interns would do the job for me. And if I go on a large scale, yeah, I'll be obviously needing a office space of at least 5,000 square feet. And I need to get myself registered with SEBI, NSE, and other regulators.
Okay, pass.
So what you...
Yeah, Anshuman. Thank you,
so
thank you.
Coming to that,
I'll pass it here. I need more of you in the future. So he was telling
excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
Interruption. Principal want to address brief
Let me
Yeah.
Let me finish
Just
this.
2 minutes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please hold for 2 minutes? Our principal sir has come on the
He's already
meet.
in?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Principal sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir.
Very good morning. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir.
No disturbance, no? Okay.
No disturbance. Yes.
I'm very happy to be with you for this Institutional Innovation Council. On behalf of the management and myself, I'd like to welcome Mr. Balaji KM, Assistant Director of Medium Scale MSME Development Institute, Chennai, Government of India. As you know very well that the department, the Dwarandas, Gorandas, Vaishnav College have started IIC recently. Through IIC, we are conducting various programs for the students in which we want the students to be a good entrepreneur, or you should be a good job seeker, or you should be good in doing the higher studies. Like that, we are dividing the students. Based on that, today we have the resource person, Mr. Balaji, who is going to talk about the business and supportive government schemes. There is, as far as the Government of India and also Government of Tamil Nadu, they have a lot of schemes to the startup, lot of scheme for the good innovator and also for starting any business. But that is not reaching to the general public, especially to the students community. The people who are doing business, they are doing the business again and again, but there is no new entry for the business. So if father is doing a business, the son will take care. Like that only the business community is developing. But the entry of new people is not taking place in the present scenario, for which the higher education have to do a lot of homework, like conducting these type of seminars for the students community. If we conduct these type of programs, the students will be given an awareness about the business avenues and the support given by the government, so that they can start our own innovation cell or they can start our own startup for the career. So with these few words, I like to congratulate the Institutional Innovation Council for organizing today's program, where the Prem Kumar is the coordinator for IIC for this program, and Lata ma'am is a member who is taking charge for this, and they have started the work on startup. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
மகளிரின் மேம்பாட்டிற்காக முத்தமிழர்கள் கலைஞர் அவர்களால்
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
நாட்டிற்கே புதிதாக தருமபுரி மாவட்டத்தில் மகளிர் சுய உதவிக்குழு இயக்கம் தொடங்கப்பட்டது. அந்த
Okay, great. Thank you, Principal Sir, for that wonderful invite. And I'm also a member of a couple of IIC too, and initiated a couple of IIC in Pondicherry district. Great that all arts and science colleges have initiated IIC for promoting entrepreneurship, and it's a key. And as you rightly said, first generation of entrepreneurs should arise, and it's very difficult. I understood the dissemination policy is very rigorous these days, and these days the generation are handy with their mobile. Too much information, don't know which information to access properly. And let's begin. I will continue with the topic, and so Anshuman was actually telling us before opening a larger company, he wants to have a couple of laptops and a couple of interns. So a laptop வந்து நம்ம என்ன மாதிரி define பண்ணலாம்? Is it a capital good or what is it, Anshuman?
Well, in my case, it's technically going to be capital, sir.
Okay, so which means that in service category, you come under a service category. So anything which you value add to a product, or anything which has been value added physically, which we call it as a manufacturing setup. And when you're going to sell it on your name or your company, which we call it as a manufacturing company. In your case, you're giving a service. It is not physically added, it is virtually added. So we call that as a service category. So உங்களுக்கு வந்து capital equipments தான். So what we define is we define a manufacturer and a service provider. So under that, we categorize them as micro, small, and medium based on the investment and turnover. For a manufacturer, investment it is going to be his capital goods such as machines. Even the land and building won't come under the capital good. We don't consider land and building as a capital. We consider machineries as a capital good for a manufacturing company. For a servicing company, we consider as equipment values. So when you are going to start a business, you've been evaluated through your equipment value as a micro, small, and medium. So ஒரு கோடி ரூபாய்க்குள்ள நீங்க வந்து equipments வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா, we call you as a micro entrepreneur. And likewise, small and medium. Just wanted to give the definition of what is MSME is been given by the government of India. Likewise, okay. So let's come to the topic, how to start a business, right? So let me give an example, and let me start with the manufacturing example, okay? So for example, let's start doing with a manufacturing of a water bottle, correct? So I need answers rather than one side of talk. So to manufacture a water bottle, I'm thinking to manufacture a water bottle. எனக்கு என்னென்னலாம் தேவை? if I want to start manufacture this water bottle, what is first thing which I require? I believe here the multiple languages will work. I believe many people are familiar over here, or it's a mixed public over here. Yeah? A question? I need an answer for that. Can you go in multiple languages? People?
Yes, sir. You can go for multiple bilingual, sir.
Yeah,
Great. Okay. So even professors can interact so that the students can also learn. Students la shy even professors, you can tell me what is it. So or water bottle manufacture பண்றதுக்கு என்ன தேவை first thing?
We need a
Sir, we need
manufacturing facility.
Manufacturing facility. So
We need a mold.
The raw material plastic or steel, whichever it is.
you need a raw material,
And we need
Yeah.
some molding machines and
molding
filling machines and capping.
So
and also,
roughly I understood as a raw material and machines. Okay. So what else is required after that?
Water.
steam.
Water. Okay. So we need water, we need raw material, we need machines. Do
We need people to
place?
package and market it.
Amazing. Amazing, Karthik. So we need packaging. We need design for the packaging, design for the water bottle. We should find where is the water available. And we need labor, we need machine. So likewise, if you want to start a service company, I'll go by parallelly, okay? So we wanted to start a company where Anshuman wants to have hedging company, right? So what we need in the hedging company? So or else like hedging company will be too much technical. So mostly you people are into economics. Let's start with the consulting organization. So we are going to consult something on economic perspective, which is like a data analytics company. Is it fine? That will suit you guys?
Yes, sir.
I mean, I'm only hearing from Anshuman. How about Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Hari,
Cool,
Gracie, Dhanush, Priya. Okay, so let's have a parallel discussion on starting a consulting organization. So if I want to start a data analytics company, what is required? Yeah, Priya? Karthik, can I have some ideas from you? Anshuman, go ahead.
To begin with, we actually need a couple of people to do the survey and the requirements, and we need to bag some
What
clients.
is the survey and requirement that we do? I'm
So
trying to
for-
understand from you what you're thinking.
I'm sorry?
So I'm right. I'm currently thinking about what survey that you're going to take.
So the reason being the data analytics is kind of a complex. So actually, want to know what kind of industry you want to analyze
Okay, stop,
and
stop,
what
stop.
kind of sectors and etc.
Stop, Anshuman. Like you're into a different track now. So
Sir,
like
we basically need people who have the right set of skills, who are basically having the knowledge of a computer software and its tools.
so what is being in demand? First, we need to understand when you're starting a data analytics company. First, we should understand the market. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Before starting any business, either it is a manufacturing or a service, we should understand the market. Who are our competitors? What are the projects are being taken? Either it is a manufacturing, I should understand who is my other competitor, who is manufacturing a water bottle and what price he is selling and who is he selling with. Likewise, I should try to understand from the data analytics perspective. First, the market. Under the market, what I will understand, what is the subject mostly been asked? It could be anything. It could be analytics which we are trying to do for a product, when it will be sold, how it will be sold, what will be the taste and preference, whatever the parameters and whatever the models we have. First, we will try to understand demand of which kind of models using. Second, the products which is being used. Third, what is the software which is being used to predict. or probably to whatever correlate or regressions, models and things. We have like machine learning these days, AI. So we should understand the market first. Then we should understand the technology. Any business when we start, 1 minute. Either it is manufacturing or service. Guys, write it down if you have a notebook. First, we should understand the market. Second, we should understand the technology to be used. Third, we should understand our financial capability. I'll come to the reverse. Let's go from finance. Let's stop with market. Let's stop with technology. So, finance. To start a company or start a business, we need money.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what we will do is that, we need money, and to start a business, we will try to understand the cost of the business first. Correct. If I'm going to set up a water bottle company, I should know which place I am going to set it up.
Sir, one water bottle rupees 10 rupees, sir.
Come again, sir.
One water bottle rupees 10 rupees, sir.
I'm not talking about the price of the water bottle right now. To initiate a business, இப்போ நான் ஒரு business start பண்ணனும்னா எனக்கு வந்து first நான் பார்க்க வேண்டிய இடம் வந்து தண்ணி எங்க வருது, வாட்டர் பாட்டில் பிசினஸ் பண்ணனும்னா அந்த இடத்துல நான் என்னோட கம்பெனியை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவேன், manufacturing setup. So I will try to understand the estimate of a manufacturing setup. எந்த எவ்வளவு பெருசா வைக்க போறேன். For that I should understand the market. That is what I am trying to talk. So place, setup, machines, how many machines required, what is the power I should ask for, what is the employee skill set. Karthik was right. What is the employee skill set? நான் 10th வரைக்கும் தான் ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணணுமா, இல்ல +2 ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணணுமா, இல்ல ஒரு கன்சல்டிங் ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ல ஒரு PhD கேண்டிடேட் இன் எகனாமிக்ஸ் ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணணுமா, இல்ல டேட்டா அனலிட்டிக்ஸ் படிச்சவன ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணணுமா, இல்ல வந்து SAS படிச்சவன ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணணுமா, இல்ல வந்து machine learning படிச்சவன ரெக்ரூட் பண்ணுமா. What is my condition right now, so that I should understand the market, so that I have to derive all these things. Who I am going to serve, யாருக்கு நான் இந்த சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்க போறேன், யாருக்கு இந்த மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் ஃபெசிலிட்டியை நான் உருவாக்கி யாருக்கு நான் சப்ளை பண்ண போறேன்.
Demand, sir.
Yeah, are you guys with me?
Demand, sir. Law of demand, sir. Law of demand supply, sir.
Karthik?
Oh, I said an yes, sir. For the question you asked, are you?
Oh, somebody was talking right now. Regine.
Sorry, sir.
Law of demand supply, sir.
Yeah, agreed. So again, it's invisible, right? The demand and supply is invisible force which creates a nodal area. So we should understand that also. So which means that you should understand the market, you should understand the supply, you should understand a supply side push, or it should be a demand side push. You should understand all these things. So in economics, I think I can make you some sense for this. So step 1, understand the place. Step 2, understand which raw material to buy, understand which machines to buy, understand which skill sets to buy, understand what is the total cost involving in setting it up. After involving it, come out with a project report. What will be the project report will happen? A project report will say the feasibility of that business. Okay, wow. I'm making sense, Purida. And I'm lacking time now. Another 30
Yes,
minutes
sir.
left for me. So, basically, வந்து சின்ன விஷயம் தான். Place, machine, raw material, skill sets, operation cost, and these all things should be competitive. நான் போயிட்டு ஒரு ஷர்ட் வாங்குறேன்னா it depends upon the perspective of the person. I'll go and buy it in Saravana store, somebody will buy it in from Raymond's. Difference between the quality, it depends upon. அதே மாதிரி selecting a raw material, to giving up a best quality of water bottle, selecting a software which will give you the best result in production, selecting a best skill set which give you the best productivity in time. இதுலயும் வந்து காம்படிட்டிவ்னஸ் இருக்கு. செலக்டிங் ஆஃப் ரா மெட்டீரியல்ல இருந்து பேக்கேஜிங்ல இருந்து நிறைய இருக்கு. when you keep on adding value to that product, it should be competitive valuation. Otherwise you cannot give the best product or a best predicted result. So this is in terms of your thinking, I leave it. Which door to knock when you are coming into the reality, when you finish your college. Say for example, Anshuman and Hari are going together and having a same thought to open a consulting firm. What is the first step they will take? They will understand and estimate the cost of the function. Later, they also has to think, if I'm going to set up this office, what are the permission I have to take? This is most important that you have to know. This is where I want to sit on your head and tell few points. First, we have to decide what is the combination that I have to do. Am I going to open as a proprietor? A proprietor is a single man company, a single man person who is going to open with this only with a PAN card. Or I am going to open a partnership. If it is a partnership with Hari, Anshuman Hari will go for a partnership deed and they'll put their conditions that he is going to earn 45, he is going to earn 55, or he is going to earn 60%, or he is going to own a 40% stake. So likewise, we have Rajesh Apparel Association. Likewise, we have proprietorship, partnership, one board of director company, a trust, a section 8 company, a proper company, a limited liability partnership. இது மாதிரி ஒரு 7 டிஃபரன்சஸ் இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இதை செலக்ட் பண்ணணும். நான் எதுல ஆரம்பிக்க போறேன்? என்னோட பிசினஸ் பார்ட்னரா ஆரம்பிக்க போறேனா, சோல் ப்ரொப்ரைட்டரா ஆரம்பிக்க போறேனா, இல்ல வந்து ஒரு ஒன் போர்ட் ஆஃப் டைரக்டர் கம்பெனியா ஆரம்பிக்க போறேனா, இதை நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்றதுக்கே வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இதை படிச்சு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். எது நம்மளுக்கு கரெக்ட் வைஸ் ஆப்ஷன். Second step, we need to understand what are the rules and regulations in the economy for opening up a manufacturing unit or a data analytics company. What are the procedures that I have to follow? What are the NOC that I have to get it? Suppose I am going to open up a data analytics company, there will be a prescribed set of rules that you have to follow. Like Anshuman said, Anshuman, how to open a hedge fund company? That you are asking something, right? You have to follow SEBI rules, right?
Yeah, the market regulators.
Likewise, company start பண்றதுக்கு சில ரூல்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஒரு கன்சல்டிங் ஃபார்ம் ஆரம்பிக்கணும்னா சர்டன் கைட்லைன்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். அந்த கைட்லைன்ஸை வந்து I will define it in 3 to 4 steps and give it to you in a PDF. I'm working out on that for a consulting firm. So in general, we have to get safety certificate, NOC from the local corporation, and that's it. And most importantly, நீங்க எந்த இதுல ஆரம்பிக்க போறீங்களோ அதுலதான் நிறைய இருக்கு. லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நீங்க கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிச்சீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு பேன் கார்டு வாங்கணும், பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் ஆரம்பிச்சீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு பேன் கார்டு வாங்கணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து யூ நீட் டு ஹேவ் அ GSTN நம்பர். Further, you have some safety standard procedures in your company that you have to set it up. So likewise, or 6 to 7 procedures இருக்கு. இது முடிச்சிட்டு when you are setting up a company, you should understand the cost of the company. Basically, it's an integrated work. Simultaneously என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, யார் நமக்கு வேலை கொடுக்க போறா இதையும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா? If I'm running a data analytics company, who is going to give a project? HP is going to give a project, Bisleri is going to give a project, Voltas is going to give me a project. Who are my targets? First thing, அதை define பண்ணணும். You have to define which category of analytics that you are going to do. Say for example, நீங்க வந்து products மட்டுமே எடுத்து அதுக்கு analytics results கொடுக்குற மாதிரியும், இல்லனா வந்து சில பேர் கேட்பாங்க கிரிக்கெட் யார் வின் பண்ண போறா, based on the previous statistics and current performance, கிரிக்கெட்டோட ரிசல்ட்ஸை கூட நம்ம ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ணி சில பேர் கேட்பாங்க. Likewise, market prediction, they will ask, இப்ப இந்த பிரைஸ் போச்சுன்னா what will be the sensitivity of my customer purchase. சப்போஸ் நான் இந்த வாட்டர் பாட்டில் மூடிய மாத்தி இப்படி டிசைன் பண்ணனா என்னோட ப்ராடக்ட் ஓடுமா, நான் ஷேப்பை மாத்தினா என் ப்ராடக்ட் ஓடுமா. So there are different types of projects are involved. Sometimes they'll say, give me a country project report. Predict the country if something happens. Like for example, pandemic aanamode, what will be the price of the product of, for example, water bottle. On the pandemic, what was the price of the water bottle? Price of tomato, price of potato, price of the vegetables. Anything they may ask under the sun. நமக்கு தேவை என்னன்னா நம்ம எந்த மாதிரி கேட்டகரி ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்டை டார்கெட் பண்ண போறோம், who are my customers முதல்ல டிஃபைன் பண்ணணும். டிஃபைன் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம எல்லா வேலையும் பண்ண முடியும். Likewise, for example, if I'm going to sell water bottle for 300 rupees at any cost, tip of the iceberg will buy. The lower community will buy the water bottle for 300 rupees. No. Who are my customers? Tip of the iceberg or the lower community? Likewise, in services in the data analytics company, you have to define which area that I am going to work on. Based on that area, you are going to recruit. Based on the area, you have to recruit and you have to select the technology that you are going to use. So overall, you have to come and work with a project report. Otherwise, I call it as business plan. This business plan will have market, technology that is going to be used, financial projections for the next 5 to 10 years of the feasibility of your project. Mostly, it will have return on investment as a feasible result. IRR, internal rate of return. We will see mostly on return on investment and IRR. ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரிப்போர்ட்ல இது மூணு முக்கியமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா, and it will be positive, I think about 18% is good result on return on investment. இது மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா the project is considered to be feasible. Say இன்னும் டீப்பா போனோம்னா ஃபினான்ஷியல் அனாலிசிஸ்ல நான் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல 2 பிசினஸ் பார்ப்பேன். 2 பிசினஸ்ல இவ்வளவு ரூபாய் கிடைக்குது, என்னோட எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் இவ்வளவு ரூபாய், இது மைனஸ் இதை டேலி பண்ணி பார்த்தா எனக்கு வந்து பிளஸ் ஃபிகர் வருது. Plus figure வந்து it is close to somewhere around 50% of my turnover. Likewise, I will project it for the next 10 years and I will see what is my result on the next 10 years of my company. Based on that, they will calculate the return on investment. How many of you know the return on investment calculation? Is anyone here who are into basic? I mean, they have been taught on return on investment in IRR, ma'am?
Sir, national income, real income, normal income, total expenditure, total demand, sir.
Okay, so little about financial ratios that you have to talk.
BSc, NSc, sir. Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Great. So ideally, மூணு விஷயம் தெரிஞ்சா போதும். ஒன்னு அந்த ப்ராடக்டோட மார்க்கெட், 2 என்ன அட்வான்ஸ் டெக்னாலஜி யூஸ் பண்ணா ப்ரொடக்டிவ் ரிசல்ட் வரும், யாரை வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணணும், எந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் நம்ம பிடிக்கணும், இவ்வளவு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாலே போதும். யா சபானா, somebody raised the hand. யார் அது? No, it's okay. Great. So this is basically to know the ecosystem of that product or that service. And I have also said few procedures which you have to talk. Once you really want to start a business, you can come to MSME Development Institute. We can sit and mentor you. Next, suppose Anshuman wants to start a company. Anshuman, do you have enough money to start?
At the moment, yeah, no, sir.
Okay, so after 3 years also, will it be the same question or you will be having something? Which year are you? Third year?
I'm in my final year. Yeah.
Final year. So at the moment, I understand March is going to be very much near to you. So if you're going to start a business, what will you do?
First, I'm gonna be hunting for clients. Then second is to analyze my funding requirement, how much money I will be needing.
Stop here.
And I'm sorry.
Stop here. See,
Yeah, I stopped.
first if you start hunting up the clients and client says, yes, I'm going to give the project, I want to see your office.
Okay.
What will be your reaction to that?
I think I can meet him even outside office, like at a coffee shop or something.
Okay, அவ்வளவுதான் பண்ண முடியும் இல்லையா? So
ஆமா.
initially என்ன வேணும்? We need a
Office space.
office space. அந்த ஆஃபீஸ் ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு நம்ம ஒரு அட்வான்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும்.
Yep.
அது நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கணும். சப்போஸ் இல்ல அப்படின்ற பட்சத்துல what we will do, we will hunt for an employment and we will say, this is my thought. I don't know what is Anshuman's thought. Most of the college students starts at that, so I'm averagely telling that. So I'll hunt for a job, earn some money, save some money, and after that I'll start a business. This is my answer. What will be yours, Anshuman?
The thing is, instead of utilizing my own money, I would rather take more of an investors into it and give away some equity, because the risk is going to be on them, not on me.
Stop here. You're going for the another dimension. So if you're going for the investors, how are you going to pitch your ideas to them? What is required to pitch your idea?
To show them the return, because I personally trade, so I can show my returns to them, so they
Okay,
can.
great. Stop here. So everybody has to understand, right? So Anshuman என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, என்கிட்ட காசு இல்லைன்னா நான் இன்வெஸ்டர்ஸை தேடி போவேன். இன்வெஸ்டர்ஸை தேடி போனேன்னா I have to talk to them stating that these are my unique selling propositions. These are the way that I will earn money. என் மேல இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நான் உங்களுக்கு திருப்பி இவ்வளவு தருவேன். These are the projects I will be taking. This is what I was telling to you. Understand the market. So to start a business, we need money. In Anshuman's case, probably he will impress and he will get the investors. How about others? Karthik?
Sir, I am definitely going to work in another company, then get myself a job, and then maybe pitch my plan to the other investors.
Great.
Because
Somebody-
if I have to invest some money, if the company has to be mine, I need to invest some money of my own.
No problem. And somebody else has been raising their hand. Rangarajan or somebody. Yeah.
Sir, company have EMI கட்டலாம் sir. If you pay EMI also well better sir.
சரி, ஓகே. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி நிறைய ஆக்சுவலி ஆவரேஜா என்ன நடக்குதுன்னா, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணிடுறாங்கன்னா பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னு ஆர்வமா வராங்க. ஆர்வமா வரும்போது மேஜரா வந்து what is the emotional quotient that has been hitting is that their family doesn't allow them to start. How many of the professors over here agree with me? Professors over here? None professors are not, none here? Dr. Lata?
She has just gone out somewhere, sir.
ஓகே. ஸோ பேசிக்காக என்ன நடக்கும்னா, நான் பார்த்துட்டு வந்த வரைக்கும் ஸ்டோரிஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட போயிட்டு நான் ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன்னு சொன்னாலே போதும், கரிச்சு கொட்டிடுவாங்க. முதல்ல வேலைக்கு போ, குடும்பத்தை காப்பாத்து, அதுக்கப்புறம் நீ பிஸ்னஸ் எல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு. This is one thing which your principal was also addressing. என்ன சொன்னார்னா, பிஸ்னஸ் பண்றவன் தான் பிஸ்னஸ் பண்றானே தவிர வேற யாரும் பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணல. That is actually true. I've been spending my time in across India. If I go to Ahmedabad and say these things, they'll laugh at me. Ahmedabadல போயிட்டு நீ வேலைக்கு போடான்னு சொன்னா என்ன சிரிப்பாங்க என்ன பார்த்து. You know what they will say? எங்க அப்பாவோட கடை இருக்கு, நான் அதை பார்த்துட்டே பொழைச்சிப்பேன், எவங்கிட்டே போயிட்டு வேலை செய்யறதுக்குன்ட்டு. நம்ம எப்படிங்க? We've been declared and sold. What we've been declared and sold, we'll be declared for 2.75 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs. I'm a true students. People, can we have some reaction?
I couldn't hear you clearly. Could you just repeat it?
Yeah. So what I was trying to tell you is that comparatively to the West, on the South, mostly on South, people emotional bonding is different. We are being sold in the placement and we are not telling our prices. I should come and say, I am sold for 1 crore. I'll be selling it for only 50 lakhs. How dare people have an intention to that? What are the innovative thoughts that we have in economics? நம்ம theory மட்டும்தான் படிக்கிறோம். Have you come out with anything innovative?
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Adam Smith, Art Formation, Lion Amazon, Samsung, sir. These are the economics artists, main authors for economy, sir. Law of demand, law of EMU, equity majority, law of demand supply, sir. Balance of payment, trade equilibrium, what is equilibrium? Macro is small, macro is large. International trade.
That's okay.
IMF.
What I'm trying to understand is that I have to come out with innovative steps. That is what my point is. We have to come and say, I am sold for this much. என்ன நீ இந்த விலைக்கு தான் வாங்கணும். But அப்படி நடக்கிறது இல்ல. They pick us. You have been so, I will take you for 1.75. I'll take you for 2.5. நான் உன்னை 3 lakhs தான் எடுப்பேன். But we don't have dare enough to say, no, I will not come to you. Because we are scared. We are being taught for employee, not as an employer.
Sir, that's the different in the mindset, sir. Like the people in the West are more oriented towards being
Exactly. That is what I'm
entrepreneurs.
trying to tell you. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to tell you. The generation itself is culturally oriented towards self-employment. I'm not saying that you people all have to create your own entrepreneurship. My general idea is to compare both and say these things are also been there. Why can't you try? நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணலாம் தான் நான் சொல்றேன். That's my thought. So, coming back to the perspective, when we want to start a business, we need money. So, generally என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா சில பேர் வந்து காசு கையில இல்லாதனால they will end up employment. After some point of time, they earn good money. They don't come back to entrepreneurship what they really thought. So, for them, we thought they should not lose their space in their market. So, what we did, we have been trying to help these many people. So, you know what? These are the statistics that we have. More than 40 million units in India that are MSMEs. MSMEs are the only person who employ 72 million persons. And they are giving 6,000 products, contributing 8% of the GDP. Never matter with the GDP, but see the contribution towards the larger quantity. They give 45% of the total manufacturing output and 40% of the export from the country. This is what a total MSME does in the country. Coming back to the situation, what are we talking about? We don't have money, but we need to start a business. That is where we chip in. The ministry says, we will give you grant and subsidies. Why can't you do it? நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன், பண்ணுங்களேன். We give you subsidy, நாங்க grant தரோம், நீங்க business ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க, நாங்க உதவியா இருக்கோம். Likewise, we have some schemes. We have a scheme called Prime Minister's Employment Guarantee Program. 18 வயசு ஆயிட்டு 8th பாஸ் பண்ணா மட்டும் போதும். உனக்கு திறமை இருக்கா? நான் இப்ப சொன்னேன் பாத்தீங்களா, மார்க்கெட் டெக்னாலஜி அண்ட் ஃபினான்ஷியல் projections with the proper business plan. This business plan can be made by anyone in the chartered accountant place. You can go and talk to him and get it done. What the government does, 10 lakh ரூபாய் வரைக்கும் service sector for starting a consulting organization, we are helping till 10 lakhs. 25 lakhs for the manufacturing setup. How are we helping? We are giving 10% for the general category and 5% for the special category as a margin money. The margin money is considered to be a grant and a subsidy up to 15 to 35%, which means that for 10 lakhs, maximum up to 3.5 lakhs is given by the government, and rest you take it from a bank as a loan. For loan again, we will become a collateral under a scheme called Credit Guarantee Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. If a college guy goes and asks a bank a loan, what is the first question being asked? Do you know what is the first question being asked? If you go and ask for a loan, have you ever tried for your education loan?
So they ask for the collateral.
Collateral. Basically, they ask for a collateral. So, government, what they did is, see, இந்த மாதிரி பசங்க இந்த மாதிரி டிசார்டன் ஆனதுனால they are not able to start a business. So, we have a scheme for it. What is the scheme? Up to 2 crore. Government becomes a collateral for you if the bank says your project is feasible. And I also said about feasibility of the project. எப்படி ஆகும்ட்டு இல்லையா? So these clause over here, this financial assistance guarantee cover, leave it. Right now you don't want this now. What government is helping? Up to 2 crore without collateral, they become a collateral. That is like a car insurance. You pay some 1% of the credit facility as a notional guarantee fee to us. We become a collateral to you. Right? அது வந்து அந்த ஸ்கீம் வந்து பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ் எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட் கேரண்டி ஸ்கீமோட பேசிக் வந்துரும். So you only need to invest 5 to 10% of a project report. 15 to 35% is been given a grant. So 35, so maximum you are getting a grant as 35%, plus you're investing 10%, you totally have a 45%. Rest 55% bank கொடுக்கலாம்ல. We are not asking 99% from the bank. We are asking 45% or 55% or 60% from the bank. They will definitely give. If your project is really viable, how will you make this project viable? Again, go reverse. You have to be very sharp with your market, very sharp with your technology knowledge. You have to write it down properly in a business plan. You have to explain to a banker properly on that, like you explain to an investor. So if he feels that this project is viable and you have to impress like an interviewer, that's it. You're going to get a loan. This is one of the scheme da. Government avlo salaga kodukudhu. People are not really aware. Adha unma. Or you have too much of information, like WhatsApp la saramariya messages varum, but we don't know which message to read. Likewise, the same thing which your phone has. You are very handy. You have everything with you. But we don't know which information to access properly. That is why I am here. Engineering graduate can open Murugan Idli shop. Why can't economic student open up a tea shop? Have you seen Coffee Mama? That's a brand which is also created by one of the founders and economist in that. Coffee Mama. Many economists I have seen, they have opened their entrepreneurship in hotel industries. They even open up a consulting firm. I have one of my friend from Delhi. His name is Vinod, who was actually into data analytics, working for 3 to 4 years in a company. He has started his own. He's running his data analytics company in partnership with the Boston person from Boston, and he's running a company over there in Delhi. There are many classical examples where an economist turned into an entrepreneur. We are rushing out of time. I need to tell a few more things to you guys. Like I was telling something about innovation, right? Innovation is nothing about with product. It can also be in service. If you come out with a new theory, it's innovation. And that theory is replicated into a market, like a random walk theory. it's going to be a hit and you're going to protect your idea. For protection, we also give you a reimbursement up to 1 lakh. A foreign protection, we give up to 5 lakhs. GI and trademark is something different, which is not related to you. Likewise, we have Tamil Nadu government, which are giving some good schemes. If you're going to really start a business, you will be considered as a startup. When you're going to be considered as a startup, they're going to give you anything, a capital subsidy up to 25%, 20% low tension power tariff subsidy up to 36 months. You know what is low tension power tariff? Current bill. உங்க ஆஃபீஸ் நீங்க ஓபன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 36 மாசத்துக்கு 20% கரண்ட் பில் வந்து லோ டாரிஃப்ல கிடைக்கும். Stamp duty exempted on mortgage or pledged documents. Okay. Likewise, you will be, see, many industrial areas are there, IT parks are there, okay, which has been created by organization of state government called SIPCOT and SITCO. Anga vandu you can apply. For that also, you will be benefited for getting a place over there to start your business. IT space is enough for you. Maybe a 10 into 30 square foot of space is enough for starting a business in to start with. Even Flipkart did the same, Amazon did the same, Tata did the same. If you take any entrepreneur who is on the top right now, they started with 10 to 10 square meter of office. It is not that you have to start with a huge. For SCST, we have a lot of benefits we have. Women, 10% more subsidies are available. There are women development corporations who are giving a lot of subsidies and schemes for women entrepreneurship. Why can't they chip in? There are special capital subsidies for the touch sector, which you will not be there. There is interest rate subsidy. If you're going to buy a loan, they are giving you 3% interest rate subsidy. That is sub-mention. Say, for example, the market rate is right. What's the repo rate right now? People, Anshuman, what's the repo rate?
4.75%.
Come again?
4.75%. It remain unchanged, sir.
Okay. And what is repo rate? Can you define it to the people?
Certainly, sir. Repo rate is the rate at which the banks take money from the government.
Very excellent. So, repo rate is a rate where RBI lends money to the bankers. Say, for example, State Bank of India will buy for 4.75. And after that, he builds up his operation costs and sell it to the retailers. Who are the retailers? We, us. So he will sell it for 9% or 10% or 11% or 12%. Okay. From that, the government is giving 3% reimbursement for you. These are the schemes available to start. Moreover, when you are going to buy any software, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has a certain clause reimbursement for buying a software. And to store your data on cloud, we give subsidized package when you're going to store it in cloud. Who are the cloud operators we have right now in the market? Any idea? People, you're all mobile operators who have the cloud operators. Airtel has its own cloud. Google has its own cloud. BSNL too has its operations on the cloud. So if you want to store data on cloud, you will get a subsidized price from the scheme. So these many schemes are available. To start a business, I've already told which door to knock. Right? These are some few details which have it with me right now. For guidance on product or identification or selection, you can come to my office. This is the address. Training and technical consultation, We have MIDS, Madras Institute of Development Studies, Madras School of Economics. You have data analytics companies, which I have some contacts. We can help you out in getting it done. Any consulting firm to start an NGO, to start a trust. I have some few contacts which I can help you out. What are the license you have to take it compulsory? You have to get a license from the Secretariat of Industry Assistance and Department of Industrial Promotion and Policy. You have to get a license from corporation. If you're going to put a plan permit, you have to get a plant, you have to get a plan permit. If you're putting a factory, you have to get the registration under the Factories Act. Who is going to give? Inspectors of the factory. Likewise, we have series of things. For your case, you have to get the Pollution Control Board certificate, you have to get the Fire Rescue certificate, you have to get if you're going to go for a new designs and stuff, you should go for the trademark registration and get it done from here. And registration of the GST, income tax registration, power connection registration. If you're going to go for loan, you can go for Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation, NABARD. I was talking about a Prime Minister's Employment Guarantee Program. Likewise, you have Unemployed Youth Generation Program and New Entrepreneurship Development Scheme. This is the office you have to go over there. This is the office you have to go for PMEGP. For finance assistance for SC/ST, you have to go to Tamil Nadu Adi Dravidar Housing Development Corporation Limited. They especially support SC/ST candidates to become entrepreneurs. What are the other licenses you should get it? These are the list. And who is going to help? These are the entire ecosystem people who are helping in all the districts in Tamil Nadu. So this much details I have. If you guys want it, I can share it when you're going to start a business. You can come and visit us. Right? So in a nutshell, I have given in a short time few steps about starting a business, not in detail. Few steps about starting a business. If you really wanted to initiate something on your own, to crack, to give employment to all, rather than getting employed, think, knock my door. I'll try to help you guys out. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Is there any questions? Are there any questions for sir? Anyone? If they have any, they can put it in the chat box if they wish to.
So, I'm sorry, I forgot one thing. If you want to avail all these schemes that I have told, you have to get registered as micro small enterprise certificate, which we call as Udyam registration. Okay. And let me share my screen again one more time. I have forgotten to show you guys one important thing. So any government website will end up with gov.in. So this is Udyam registration portal. This is where you have to register your details and get MSME certificate. It is like simple process. You are going to give your details like Gmail registration or sign up some things. It will be asking your PAN card and GST number and few other details about your company address and stuff, and national industrial classification. Based on the national industrial classification, you're going to select your services and you're going to go for the first option, your Aadhaar number and your name as written in the Aadhaar, and you're going to validate with your mobile number. The entire application opens and you're going to get the certificate immediately to your email. And for more, please visit our website. Technically in my laptop it is not working. So you have to visit this website and please go through the schemes over here, booklet of schemes. Please go through everything which can highlight the ministry's offerings towards entrepreneurship for a startup. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was quite informative and as well as quite inspiring. And are there any Q&As? I'm going to ask one more time. Anyone? Any questions to be asked? Okay, since there are no questions, I'll proceed further. Now, I would like to call upon Pratyusha Rao from First BCom Day Shift to address a vote of thanks. Over to you, Pratyusha.
Good morning, everyone. Sam, this session was really an eye-opening one. We came to know about many things, sir, about the market research, demand analysis, recruitment of employees, and the conditions and suitability for employees and subsidies schemes, especially for the women entrepreneurs, and about the UDM registrations. And thank you so much for sharing all of the information, sir. And apart from the information we got to know, the way you conveyed was very inspiring, sir. Thank you so much for that. And I'm extremely thankful for our professors for giving us an opportunity to be a part of today's session. I express my greatest thanks to the guest speaker and resource person, Mr. Balaji KM, Assistant Director of MSME Developments Institute of Chennai, Government of India, for accepting our invitation and to present a webinar and honoring us. I express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Secretary, Shri Ashok Kumar Mundraji, and our esteemed Principal, Captain Dr. S. Santosh Babu Sir, for their conduct and encouragement. My special thanks are due to Dr. P. Vidya Ma'am, HOD of Microbiology and convener of IIC, and Dr. Kumaran Sir, Vice President of IIC, for their guidance and encouragement. I also extend my special thanks to Mr. Prem Kumar Sir, Coordinator of IIC, and Mrs. Deepa Balendran Ma'am, Member of IIC, for their support and cooperation. My sincere thanks to Mrs. Lata Ma'am and Mr. Lokesh Sir, Admin Office, and Mr. John, Data Center, for their technical support. I thank Mrs. Sujata Ma'am, the librarian, and the timely help. I thank all the student participants for your participation and cooperation. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Pratyusha. So I request all the participants in the meet to fill up the Google form to avail a certificate. Thank you. That would be all. Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you very much, Pratisha. It was very nice. Thank you. Thank you, people. See you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Anshuman. Anshuman. Hello.
சொல்லுப்பா தனுஷ்.
இல்ல ஃபார்ம் ஓபன் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. காலேஜ் வெப்சைட் லிங்க் இது வேணுமா ஐடி?
டேய் காலேஜ் ஐடில ஓபன் ஆகுதுடா.
இல்ல காலேஜ் ஐடி நான் கிளம்பிட்டேன். லேப்ல தான் இருக்கு காலேஜ் ஐடி.
கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கியா?
நான் வேல இருக்கேன். காலேஜுக்கு வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
I'll send you the form separately. அப்புறமா fill பண்ணிக்கோ.
ஓகே 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 thank you. லீவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல?
Yeah, people who are done filling the form can leave the meet.
எனக்கும் ஃபார்ம் ஓபன் ஆகலப்பா.
Yeah, use the college ID.
ஓகே.
People who are done filling the form, please leave.